Hi, my dears. How are you? It's your fourth standard English class. Okay, it's your fourth standard English class, ma. Shall we go to the class? Okay, before going to the class, it is the prayer time. Okay, so let us pray. Please sit directly, all of you, and close your eyes. நான் ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியை. நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் இருந்து அன்போடு முறையான கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியை. நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் இருந்து அன்போடு முறையான கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியை. நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் இருந்து அன்போடு முறையான கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். Okay, ma'am? Hope you all prayed already. Shall we go to the class? Okay, we are in the lesson My Hobbies. Okay, we are in a unit 2 My Hobbies. Okay, what do you mean hobby? It is an regular activity. It is an regular activity done in your leisure time. Okay, in your free time, in your rest time. Okay, only for enjoyment. So what do you mean hobby? It is an regular activity. First point, it is an regular activity. Second, it is done in your free time or leisure time or rest time. Third point, it is for your enjoyment. Okay, it is for your enjoyment. Okay, so here in My Hobbies unit, we are in the lesson Do It Yourself. Okay, what is it? Do it yourself. What is the abbreviation for DIY? So expansion of DIY. Do it yourself. Okay, here the lesson is given here about DIY kids. Who were there? 6 kids. Vinod, Rosie, Meghalai, James, Alia, Raju. Who were they? Say it again. Vinod, Rosie, Meghalai, James, Alia, Raju. Okay, so these are 6 children. They are the DIY kids. What do you mean DIY? Do it yourself kids. Okay, so here first character is Vinod. Who is that? Vinod. Okay, when Vinod was young, his parents, his elders did all the work for Vinod. Nothing but ma. If you are in KG, can you do your work yourself, ma? No, you can't. If you are in a 3rd standard, 4th standard, can you do your work yourself? Yes, of course. Okay, like bathing yourself, then keeping things in a rack like that. So you just do your works yourself. Okay, so Vinod, when he was young, his parents, his elders did his work. Okay, then now who is doing that work now? Vinod himself. Okay, Vinod likes to do his works. First one. Then what does he do now? He washes his clothes. Okay, he washes his clothes. Okay, second one, after drying it out, he folds the clothes neatly. He folds them neatly. Okay, then he likes to do his work by himself. He likes to do his work by himself. Okay, so here Vinod is a DIY kid. Okay, or a DIY kid, ma'am? Okay, here Vinod washing his clothes. Vinod is folding all the clothes neatly. Then he loves to do his works by himself. Okay, then who is the DIY kid? Rosia, Meghalaya? No, it is Vinod. Okay, next one, Rosie. Who is that? Rosie. Okay, so what about Rosie? She learned bicycle. She learned to ride a bicycle. That you mean she learned cycling when she was 9 years old. She learned cycling when she was 9 years old. Okay, then she enjoys cycling. She enjoys the cycling. Here Vinod is a DIY kid. Here Rosie's hobby is cycling. What is Rosie's hobby? Cycling. Then what about Meghalai? Very good. Meghalai's hobby is swimming. What is it? Meghalai hobby is swimming. Okay. So whom did she swim? Very good. She swam with the elders. She swam with the elders. Where does she swim? She swims in a well. Okay, what do you mean well? It is a kind of a water resource that you can see in the village. Okay, so here who is Meghalai? She is a Vinod friend. First point. Second one, she swims with elders in a well. Okay, then she fights with them. I already told you fight here it means in swimming she fights with them. Then she is fond of swimming. Here what do you mean fond of? Like of. Okay, she likes swimming. She likes swimming. So what is the hobby of Meghalai? Very good, swimming. Okay, so what does Rosie do when she is bored? Very good. She rides a bicycle. Okay, she rides a bicycle. Who's it? Rosie hobby is bicycle. Meghalai hobby is swimming. Meghalai hobby is swimming. Okay, shall we go to the next one, ma? Okay, here the next one. Meghalai hobby is swimming. Then what about James? Here he is another friend of Vinod. He is another friend of Vinod. What is his hobby? James' hobby is gardening. Okay, so what is his hobby? James' hobby is gardening. Okay, what does he do in garden? He waters the plants, the trees every day. Okay, what does he do in the garden? He waters the plants and the flowers and the trees every day. Okay, does James have his own garden? Yes, he has his own garden. He waters there every day and he loves gardening. So what is the hobby of James? Very good, gardening. What is the hobby of James? Gardening. Shall we move to the next one, ma? Are you clear in it, ma? Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Okay, let us go. Hi, I am Elia. The fifth friend is Elia. Okay, Alia. Sorry. I am Alia. I sew my torn cloth. Here it is not sew, that is sew. Okay, I sew my torn cloths. I hem the border. I am always keen to stitch. Okay, so here once again I am reading this. Please keep a finger on that line and listen. Hi. Take a page mark, 100 mark, 100. Hi, I am Alia. I sew my torn cloths. I hem the border. I am always keen to stitch. Okay, here who is the next one? Alia. Okay, who is the next one? Alia. Here what did she do? She sews her torn clothes. What do you mean torn? Cut. Okay, cut, cracked. You can, okay, if it is if her clothes become torn, she sew it herself. She sew it herself. Sew you mean making stitches with a needle. Okay, I hem the border. What do you mean hem? It is also sewing. Okay, sewing with a stitching with a needle. Okay, I hem the border. I hem the, here in the picture you can see it, that hemming. Okay, that is hemming. Okay, so first work Alia shows her torn cloths. Second one is she hems the border. Third one is she is always keen to stitch. What do you mean keen? Like, okay, she likes stitching. She likes stitching. So what is the hobby of Alia? Very good, stitching or else sewing. Okay, so what is the hobby of Alia? Stitching or sewing. Okay, so what are the works done by Alia? First one, Alia show her a torn cloth. Okay, second point, she hems the border. She hems the border. Okay, third one, she is always keen to stitch. She always likes to stitch. She always likes to stitch. Okay, shall we move to the next person, ma? Okay, here keep a finger on that line. Hi, I am Raju. I help by cleaning grains and cereals. I am good at cooking. I like slicing, cutting or chopping fruits and vegetables. I prepare a few simple dishes. Okay, so here I am Raju. Keep a finger on that line. Once again I am reading that statement. Please keep a finger on that line. Hi, I am Raju. I help by cleaning grains and cereals. I am good at cooking. I like slicing, cutting or chopping fruits and vegetables. I prepare a few simple dishes. Okay. Hi, I am Raju. I help by cleaning grains and cereals. I am good at cooking. I like slicing, cutting or chopping fruits and vegetables. I prepare a few simple dishes. Okay, here next one. Who is the next one? Raju. Who is the next one? Raju. Okay, so he helps his mom. Okay, he helps his mother by cleaning grains and cereals. Cleaning grains and cereals. Okay, who help his mom for cleaning grains and cereals? Raju. Very good. Who helps his mom? Raju helps his mother for cleaning grains and cereals, and also he is good at cooking. Who is good at cooking? Raju. It is not a Vinod, it is not a James. Who is good at cooking? Raju. Who is good at cooking? Raju. Next one is here. He likes. Okay, he likes slicing. What do you mean slicing? Cutting. Okay, cutting the vegetables or fruits in a thin shape. Okay, in the picture you can see it, a slice. Okay, so slicing you mean cut into slices in the shape. Okay, so here what does he like? He likes slicing vegetables or fruits and cutting. Now you know it. Okay, cutting. Okay, next one is chopping. What do you mean chopping? Chopping is nothing but cut into small pieces. Okay, cutting big size or small size, it's not at all a matter. Chopping you mean cut into small pieces. Okay, cut into small pieces, that is called a chopping. Okay, so here Raju likes slicing the vegetables or fruits, cutting the vegetables or fruit and chopping the vegetables and fruits. Okay, and also not only he limits that, he also likes cooking. So he prepares a few simple dishes. He prepares a few simple dishes. Okay, he prepares some few simple dishes. Here it is given that abroad style. Here we have idli, dosa. Okay, like that. He prepares a few simple dishes. ஓகேங்களா? So let us recall the persons. Who were the 6 children here? Vinod, Rosie, Meghalai, James, Alia, Raju. Who were they? Vinod, Rosie, Meghalai, James, Alia, Raju. ஓகேங்களா? What is their hobby? First, Vinod doing his work by himself. Second one, Rosie. What is Rosie's hobby? Very good. What is Rosie's hobby? Cycling. What is Meghalai's hobby? Very good. Meghalai's hobby is swimming. What is James' hobby? Very good. James' hobby is gardening. What is Alia's hobby? Very good. Alia's hobby is stitching or sewing. Okay. What is Raju's hobby? Yes, very good. Raju's hobby is cooking. Raju's hobby is cooking. Okay, ma. Are you clear in it? What is my hobby? It is a regular activity. It is done in your free time or leisure time or rest time. Then it is for your enjoyment. Okay, shall we move to the exercises, ma? Okay, ma. Are you clear in it? Okay, shall we move to the next page, ma? Come to your page, ma. 101. Come to your page, ma. 101, ma. Take it, okay, take a pencil, ma. Sharp it well, please. So sharp it well. And take a scale for your match. Please take it soon, ma. Okay, here. They have given you 3 pictures. They have given you 3 hobbies. Isn't it or not? First, let's see the hobby. Swimming, cycling, gardening. What are they? Swimming, cycling, gardening. Here they have the picture. First one is Rosie, James, Meghalai. Who likes swimming? Very good. Meghalai likes swimming. Who likes cycling? Rosie. So who likes gardening? James. Here it comes the answer. Please, ma, please take a scale and draw the line. Please don't draw it by yourself. Take a scale. Okay, with the help of your scale, please draw lines. Match that picture with the hobbies. Over England. Shall we move to the next part? Here it is given. Choose the correct answer. Here, first one is Daz is a do-it-yourself kid. Amudan, Vinod, Arasan. Second one, Rosie does a bicycle, rides, falls, swims. Then Raju loves dash, cycling, driving, cooking. Okay, la? So let us go to the answer part. Before going to the answer part, let us discuss. Daz is a do-it-yourself kid. Yes, of course, it's a Vinod. Rosie does a bicycle, not falls. Falls, it comes cloth. Swims, it comes in the well. Here, what is the answer? Rides. Okay, then the last one, Raju loves dash. First one, cycling, it is a hobby of Rosie. Isn't it or not? Driving, it is not given here. So, what is the answer? Cooking. So, here it comes the answer. Please take tick the answer and write the answer there in the dash mark. Okay, please write the answer there in the dash. For example, here, Vinod. Here, writes. Please write neatly. I am writing in a phone, ma. That's why my handwriting is like this. Please write neatly. Third one is cooking. Okay, so who is the do-it-yourself kid? Vinod. Who rides Rosie does a bicycle, rides a bicycle. Raju loves dash night is a cooking. Okay, are you clear in it, ma? Vinod doing his work, Rosie cycling, Meghalai swimming, James gardening, Alia sewing, Raju cleaning up. Very good. Cooking. Okay, na? So now it's your homework session, ma. Okay, here first question is asked. Who shows the cloth? Who shows the cloth? Who's that, ma? Rajava, James, Meghalaya, Rosia. No, it is Alia. So what is the spelling for Alia? A-L-I-Y-A. Alia. So Alia sews the cloth. Okay, so you just take who. Okay, instead of who, you just write Alia. What is the spelling for Alia? A-L-I-Y-A. Alia. What is the spelling for Alia? A-L-I-Y-A. Alia. Then D words. Hem. Very good. H-E-M. Hem. What is the spelling for hem? H-E-M. Hem. Then next one. Stitch. S-T-I-T-C-H. Stitch. What is the spelling for stitch? S-T-I-T-C-H. Stitch. Then what is the spelling for grains? G-R-A-I-N-S. Grains. Say it again. G-R-A-I-N-S. Grains. Then slicing. What is it? Slicing. S-L-I-C-I-N-G. Slicing. So S-L-I-C-I-N-G. Slicing. Then the fifth one, chopping. What do you mean chopping? Cut into small pieces. C-H-O-P-P-I-N-G. Chopping. Okay, so here don't forget it, ma. Please write your homework without fail. Okay, so what is your homework now? Prose to question answer 2. Here it is in the above question. Who sews the cloth? Okay, the question answer 2 and D words. Okay, and your D words. How many times? Write one time and read well. Okay, please while doing your homework, please do it neatly, ma. Okay, do it neatly, do it correctly, ma. Thank you, all of you. Have a great day.